Michael, in the past, we have seen that both countries, they have conducted joint operations to eradicate the militants temporarily. But now, do you see any scope of a formal and permanent border management framework, joint patrols, monitoring, or is that still a long shot and both countries can do that permanently without judging each other?
Well, I think that you allude to another fundamental challenge here, and that is that, yes, in principle, the Taliban officials and Pakistani officials can try to seek cooperation, to try to jointly police the border, to try to reduce the risk of terrorism. But the levels of mistrust are very high now between the Taliban and the Pakistani state. And, you know, the military strikes that Pakistan carried out recently were very upsetting to the Taliban. But the other issue here is if you talk about border security and cooperating on trying to police the border, as you know, the Taliban do not recognize the border. No governing authority in Afghanistan has ever recognized the border as an international border, even though, you know, the international community recognizes the Durand Line as an international border. U.S. officials have recognized it as the international border. But the fact that the Taliban reject the border, I think, makes it all the more difficult to hope that the Taliban will be willing to partner with Pakistan on issues related to joint policing, managing security along the border.
So what could be the solution to that?
Well, I mean, again, talking is better than not talking, and the fact that the two sides have committed to continuing to have engagements, especially mediated by third parties. I think it's essential that Turkey and Qatar are mediating these talks. I think that might mean that each side feels the stakes are higher if you're dealing with internationally mediated. But you know, I think that it's just going to take a lot of patience. Obviously, the immediate concern for Pakistan, understandably, is the terrorism risk. The border issue, you know, this is something that's been out there for a long time. You know, I think that we have to hope that the two sides could at the least agree to maintain a long-term ceasefire, which will create more breathing room and more diplomatic space for the two sides to continue ways to try to reduce mistrust that could give them a better chance to address the core issue of the Taliban's position toward the TTP.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।